everyone. As a topic of the inflammation. Inflammation meaning is swelling. Inflammation definition. Inflammation is the response of the tissue of the injury after injury caused by the invading pathogen. Inflammation is a response. Inflammation is a response of the tissue of the injury after injury caused by the invading pathogen. Inflammation causes first heart and cold, ones, chemical, irritation, radiation, X-ray, trauma, fluctuates, toxins, infection by the pathogens, physical injury, hypersensitivity reaction, alcohol, frozen body, etc. Types of the inflammation: appendicitis, sensititis, otitis, pancreatitis, meningitis, citis, colitis, phlebitis, tonsillitis, rhinitis, dermatitis, vesiculitis. According to onset, it is divided into two. According to onset, it is divided into two. As the first acute, second chronic. First acute, second chronic. First rapid onset due to the pathogens and the physical injury. Rapid onset due to pathogen and the physical injury. Second chronic. Slow onset due to the autoimmune reaction. Slow onset due to the autoimmune reaction. Acute chronic. Sign. Inflammation sign: swelling, redness, heat, pain, loss of the function. Swelling, redness, heat, pain, loss of the function. Symptoms are inflammation: anoxia, weight loss, weakness, redness, fever. Anoxia, weight loss, weakness, redness, fever. Pathophysiology: due to any causes. Second, must cell the activities, release of the neurotransmitters such histamine, serotonin, leukotriene, prostaglandin. Fever, pain, increase capillary permeabilities, edema, increase blood flow, redness, increase blood flow, redness. Treatment of the inflammation. Treatment of the inflammation. First, needs for the reduced pain at the fever and the inflammation. Example: nimesulide, paracetamol. Paracetamol drug uses of the weakness, head pain, and the etc. Second, anti-inflammatory agent. Example: cardiocrystalites, dexamethasone, prednisolone, prednisolone. Anti-inflammatory agent. Example: corticosteroids, dexamethasone, prednisolone. Third, antihistamine drug for the reduced secretion of the histamine mediators. Example: levocetirizine hydrochloride. Levocetirizine hydrochloride. To reduce edema, we should provide RICE. To reduce edema, we should provide RICE. RICE define: R rest, I IC applications, C composition of the organ, E elevation. RIC, R reset, I IC application, C composition of the organ, E elevants. In caring to the patient for the taking plenty of fluid. In caring to the patient for taking planning of the fluid. To treatment: paracetamol, paradinosolidity. To reduce the edema, we should provide RICE. Define arrest, IIC applications, C composition of the organ, E events, and last point in organing to the patient for the taking there is a fluid. Thank you.